Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 2-hour Morrisons block paying £45. This is a good price. I think it's the start of seeing increased rates because of Black Friday. It's Sunday today, and over the last couple of days I've seen logistics blocks with £28 an hour, even £30 an hour as they try to get things delivered. It's Thanksgiving on Thursday, which means Black Friday is this Friday, and then you've got the weekend where the deliveries will be busy, and then on the Monday it's Cyber Monday with other discounts as well. Hopefully it'll stay busy for the next week, or maybe two. My car's classed as large, so it can get up to about 40 bags. Sunny but chilly day. Don't think it's going to rain, which is good. Ride along with me, we'll see how it goes. So we've got 2 in the front, 5 including 2 boxes, 14, a 6, a 4 and a 3. So to our block we've got 34 parcels, 6 deliveries. 1.6 miles to the first stop. Let's go. It's quite nice driving around on a Sunday morning. Country roads, not much traffic. I got 14 bags for you, and you must have asked for something good because it's asking me to check the year you were born. Somebody wants to know what's in the shopping. It's better than it used to be. We used to have to ask everybody to see their ID.
Oh yeah.
And you'd have to you'd be taking like these delivery of sherry to these little old ladies, and they haven't got a driving license or anything.
Oh, it's 72 years ago.
Okie dokie. Super, all done. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Oh, hello, there you go. Cheers.
Thank you.
Thanks, have a nice afternoon. Hello, got your Morrisons for you.
All right,
There's
mate.
those three there. I got
Yeah,
two
no
more to get for
problem.
you. I also need to ask you what year you were born. Let's just go grab them. Here we go. Right, what's your year of birth?
1970.
Super. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye. 5 minutes, 1.8 miles to the next one. Stay on electric for that. Yeah, Morrisons is a bit different to logistics. Logistics tend to be clumped together. Morrisons can be a bit of a drive, but then once you get there, it's delivering lots of bags to one place, and then most of the other stops are quite close. Definitely less stop-start on your car when you're doing Morrisons compared to logistics, where you're stopping and starting all the time. Although with a hybrid or an electric, it's not as much wear and tear because you're just spinning up the electric motor. I do think having a hybrid is advantageous because you've got the petrol for when you're doing longer distances, but then you've got electric between stops. So I'm basically paying to do the longer trip with my petrol, and then the electric is just pennies. I charge each night at home. It costs me about 90p to charge up from nothing to full charge. Full charge gives me 20 plus miles. Today, it depends on the weather. Today it's given me 25 miles. I think the lowest I've had it when it's really cold was 19 miles. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. There we go. They want to see what's in the shopping. There we go. Have a nice afternoon.
That's amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you.
The other advantage with doing Morrisons is the fact that you know the customers will be in. Because the customers decide the 2-hour time slot for the delivery, you haven't got the worry of if they're going to be there. They're nearly always there. It also means you don't tend to get any not delivered dings on your standing because they're always in. Some people have said that doing Morrisons after you've had a dip in your standing because of logistics can help get it back up quicker than just doing logistics and parcels. So it's 3 miles from the last stop I just did to the next stop, which is the last stop of this block. Oh. Hello there. Hello. I got 3 more to get for you. And it also wants me to ask you for the year you were born.
73.
Thank you. There we go. That one's got bottles in, I think.
Right, thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. 2-hour Morrisons block done in 1.5 hours. £45 for the block, so that makes it £30 an hour. Is it worth it? Definitely is today. I did about 20 miles driving and 10 of that was on electric. So it hasn't cost me much at all, which is good. That's it for now. See you next time.